I'm John Lahendra from Meshworks. In July, we released our reverse auction module. Very similar to RFQs, buyers can create the auction by adding details, times, dates, parts, attachments, drawings, and inviting suppliers to the event. Now, what's different is once the event starts, suppliers are submitting prices. They're submitting MOQs and piece prices for each part, uploading prices, but they're given instant feedback right away as to where they stand in the rankings. Most auctions are 30 to 60 minutes long, and suppliers during this time, again, can see where they stand when they submit a price. Every time they submit a new price, they're immediately given a rank and told whether or not their price is the best for that part. Now the kicker here is suppliers are unable to raise prices. Once they enter and submit a price during a live auction, they can only reduce it from there. And what we see is at the end of auctions, a lot of suppliers start to become more engaged in offering more competitive prices, hoping to win certain parts or projects near the end. Well, that effectively causes the auction to be extended by 5 minutes each time a supplier submits a price at the end of the auction, thus giving other suppliers the chance to offer competing bids to win the business for themselves. All the while, the buyers are taking advantage of getting the lowest possible price for their parts.